Good morning children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am a grade 5 social studies teacher. Beta, we are right today's date 27-1-2021. We are doing block 23 elections. We have completed our S1. Today our topic is S2, choosing candidate. How you will choose, how you will select the candidate. Okay, let us read from our reader now. Take out your reader. In your reader, take out page number 142. This is our S2 beta. We have completed our S1. Now we are doing S2 beta. Now see here. I am reading, keep your fingers. Our responsibility in choosing candidate. We vote for a candidate in an election. Those who contest in elections are mostly nominated by others. At time, these are your meanings, these are your glossaries beta. You can read from your backside of your reader. Nominated by others. At time, they may decide on their own to contest in elections. Contest means to taking part. Okay, candidate means who is standing for election to become a leader beta. Nominated means people will select them. Okay, next where I am reading, keep your fingers. There is usually more than one person who contest in elections. People vote for one of the several candidates. There are many candidates stand in elections beta, but out of them will select anyone. The one who gets the most vote is elected. It is important to choose the right candidate without voting. It is very difficult to choose the one person without giving vote beta. Different people have different ways of deciding who the right candidate is. Sometimes they decide on their basis of the behavior or character. Behavior means how they behave, how they will be with you, how they talk with you. Character, they have good character or not, they'll decide on that. They could look at the past record of the person to see if he or she did anything that might have been harmful to us. They'll see the past record. Past means they'll see before 4-5 years what they have did. In last few years, what they did any crime or not, they'll see like this. One way to choose a candidate is to judge if the person is honest, hardworking, capable and can work for the people. Sometimes people may choose a candidate based on things like religion, what community and person is from, whether the person is a man or a woman, or rich or poor. This may not be a good idea because these things does not tell us if the person is actually hardworking, honest and decided to serve the people, which are qualities a leader must have. Children, what is telling in this paragraph? You should not see the caste, religion, from where he is. You should see that a person, whether he might be rich or poor, they might be men or women, but they should have hardworking, honest, and they should decide that they should help the people who are giving them vote and selecting them as a leader. These are the good qualities that a leader should have. And see here, you can see here the picture. An election day in India. See, all are standing with their Aadhaar cards, voter ID cards. Voter ID cards are cards which are provided for the people. You can apply the voter ID cards after 18 years. When you are 18 years, you can apply the voter ID card. If you will get the voter ID card, then you are eligible. You are eligible to give vote and select the candidate. How you will select the candidate? You will see whether he is Hindu, you will give vote to Hindu. Whether he is Muslim, you will give vote to Muslim. No, he is not. It is not like that. You should see a person should have good qualities of a leader and see his character, see his record, what he have did, how, whether he did some crime or not. Like this, you should see everything and then you should decide and give the vote to the person, children. Understood how you will select the leaders? Now take out here. See here again next. Page number 143. See here. For a very long time, only men were allowed to vote. What is telling here? Many years back, only men were eligible to give vote, it seems. See, you can see the picture here. Okay, this is a S3 beta. We'll read afterwards. Take out your workbook now. See beta, write today's date 27-1-2021. S2, choosing candidate. See here next. Listen to the speech by the candidate and complete the table. 3 is good, 2 is average and 1 is not good. These are the marks, children. Okay. Now we are not in our class, no better to do this activity. Actually, if you are in class, we would have conducted the role play, children. But now we are not in school. So you give how you want to give the marks. Write your friend's name. No need of writing name, only you give the marks. 3 means good marks itself. 4 means very good. 3 means good. 2 means average. 1 means not good. See here. First one. Can talk very well on issue in school. How many marks you give to candidate? Give them. You argue on issue and ideas. Argue means how you will talk on the topic. On your own ideas. Look confident and not nervous. While talking, how confident the person will be. You should see that and give the marks. Next, see. Total points for each. Candidate 1, how many marks they got? Candidate 2, candidate 3 and candidate 4. How many marks they got? You should count here. Candidate 1, total, how many marks? Let me show you the old book one. See here. Candidate 1, 2 marks. You argue an issue in ideas, 2 marks. Look confident or nervous, 3 marks. Do beta, you should count how many marks altogether candidate 1 got. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. Candidate 1, 7. Candidate 2, how many marks? Candidate 3 and candidate 4. Okay, how you should give marks based on this? 3, 2 and 1. Okay, next. Read what Bina and Akbar have to say about school uniform and choose the better candidate. Give 2 reasons for your choice. Now see what they are telling. We'll read now. I am Bina. I feel that if there is no school uniform, children will spend a lot of money buying clothes to wear to school. If I win the school election, I will make sure that children wear smart uniform. Next, I am Akbar. I feel that all children are different and have their own likes and dislikes. If I win the school election, I will make sure children don't wear uniform to school. See, they have different opinion. So, two people are different and they have 2 different opinion. Whose opinion is good? You can give vote to that person. If you are thinking Bina is good, give vote to Bina. If you are thinking Akbar is good, you write here Akbar. Here you write like this. In dash, you write here Akbar or Bina is a better candidate because. Why they are good? You write that. See here, Bina is a better candidate because if I have school uniform, I will not spend money. You can write like this. Akbar is a better candidate because I like to wear different color clothes to school uniform every day. You can write like this. Okay, beta, complete this workbook. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.